guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always passing by to watch the videos, liking them, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Those people who are subscribing, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And as you can see, your village girl here, I'm in the village. It's very early in the morning and we are cooking breakfast. Do you know what we are cooking breakfast? Here we have something here. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. This is fermented maize flour. So you want to make ugali from it, not ugali. Hey, porridge, uji power. Those people who like uji power, this is our village uji power. As you can see it, there it is. This one is fermented, like it was put here the last 3 days. And if you put more than that, it's going to be sour. So you have to be careful with the number of days. There are people who like it so sour, so they leave it even after 5-6 days. But for us, this one is only for 3 days. So we have our fire ready here. Our fire is ready. So I'm going to put some water. This is our saucepan for the day. Obvious, the water you always pour it around here so that we avoid a lot of dust. So we put here, we add water. We let the water boil. So I'm going to add more firewood. Being in the village is not easy, trust me. It's only easy when you are roaming around, but when they tell you go to the kitchen and cook. So we are going to make uji power porridge for breakfast, and it's a fermented one. Not just the normal porridge, but fermented one. Cooking here is always crying. You cry and cry and cry. You have to make sure the water comes to boil. Have the traditional pot. This one is used to cook most of food here. Meat, you put it here, it comes out so nice, delicious. Our grandmother used to cook meat from this one. One day I need to cook meat from this pot, the small pot. As you can see, it's very, very beautiful. So I will let my water boil before adding the fermented. See my fire, the way it is. So our water has come to boil, as you can see. So here is, I think the best way is to put this thing here. We put it here. I'm going to add some water inside here. So I've added some water here. Remember, it's fermented for 3 days. I'm going to add it here. And I I keep on stirring. You keep on stirring until it comes to boil again, because if you don't, so you're going to have the lump inside, and it's not good. If you are making porridge for the elderly people here, that's why they test if you are a wife material, well behaved, well taught, if you know how to cook. They test your food and say, so and so knows how to cook. And that's when someone comes to ask for your hand in marriage, they will recommend you. They say, that girl knows how to cook, that girl is clean, everything. It's very, very sad when someone comes to ask for your hand in marriage and passes through the elders. It's hell. So here we are with our fermented porridge. You see, it's coming up so well, right? Because it's too thick, I'll have to add some water. Signs that we are in the village. My dress for the day. Look! Let me not concentrate on the dress and I forget the main agenda here. That thickness is okay. So we let it boil, and at this point I'm going to add a little bit of sugar just to make it sweet. So let me get the sugar. So you see, our porridge is boiling. Yeah, that's how it boils. Wow. So at this point I'm going to add sugar. I'm going to get sugar. So this is our container and it's empty. So let's add the sugar. Then we stir it a little bit. Leave it for some few minutes. This is pure maize flour, fermented for some 3 days. You can try that. Very, very nutritious, very, very delicious, but it's good when you add some sugar the way we have added. There are some who just take it like that for breakfast. boiling, so nice. And just like that, breakfast is ready. You can serve this one. By the way, I didn't show you. Let me show you what we are serving this breakfast with. Oops, let me not fall in the fire so that I burn myself. Did you see this? This is githeri. This is githeri. Mixture of beans and maize, as you can see. So we serve breakfast with this porridge and that. This one was cooked before. So that. So I'm going to get my porridge off. It's already cooked, as you can see, and we have our githeri there. So here it is. See our porridge. See our porridge. This is how it looks like, and then we have our githeri there, and we have this. As you can see, the two of them here. This is now our breakfast for the day. It's just a matter of kupakua. We put it on plates, and then this one in the cups. Then people are going to eat, have breakfast, as easy as that. So guys, thank you for always passing by to watch the videos, liking them, commenting and sharing. Let's meet. But if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Just give me that subscription. Your subscription matters so much, so much. So don't forget to subscribe. My returning subscribers, we are doing a very good job, and I don't take that for granted. I'm so grateful. So thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.